Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a timing belt on a Toyota Highlander. This critical component synchronizes your engine's crankshaft and camshafts, ensuring valves open and close precisely. Ignoring its replacement can lead to catastrophic engine failure, potentially bending valves and ruining the cylinder head. Typically, it's recommended to replace the timing belt around 90,000 to 105,000 miles, or every 9 years, whichever comes first. Before you begin, gather your essential tools. You'll need a 1/2-inch and 1/4-inch drive socket set, a metric wrench set, a torque wrench, and a harmonic balancer puller. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal for safety. If you're replacing the water pump, drain the engine's coolant. Next, remove the accessory drive belts, the cooling fan, and the alternator with its bracket to gain access. Now, it's time to access the timing belt. Use a crankshaft pulley removal tool to loosen and remove the crankshaft pulley bolt, then use a harmonic balancer puller to remove the pulley itself. Carefully remove the upper and lower timing belt covers. This exposes the timing belt and sprockets. Crucially, rotate the crankshaft clockwise until all timing marks on the camshaft pulleys and crankshaft sprocket align perfectly, typically pointing straight up, like 12 o'clock. With timing marks aligned, remove the old tensioner and then the timing belt. It's highly recommended to replace the water pump, idler pulley, and tensioner at this time. Install the new timing belt, starting from the crankshaft and working counterclockwise, ensuring all timing marks stay aligned. Install the new tensioner, then rotate the engine clockwise 2 full revolutions by hand. Double-check that all timing marks still align perfectly before reassembling all components.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.